Welcome back, students. Today we are going to start lesson number 9, Settled Life and Urban Civilization. Under this we will study use of metals, pots made on the potter's wheel, trade and transport. In the earlier chapter, we studied about the beginning of domestication of animals and agriculture, special skills and various occupation and community-based life on mutual cooperation. In this lesson, we will study about the use of metals, pots made on the potter's wheel, trade and transport. Of metals, we might have a question in our mind, which was the first metal used by humans. Before that, we will see that there is a museum in Europe which has a large collection of prehistorical, that is, prehistorical means history in which no written records are maintained, artifact, that is, artifacts, the objects which are made by man, and antique object. Antique means the ancient and old objects. So these are the objects which are being found in the museum in Europe. A scholar named Christian Thompson was the one to classify the objects. It was called as a three-age method. He classified the object into three groups. Number one, stone tools, that is Stone Age. Then the second group was copper tools and the other copper article, which was called as Copper Age. And the third category was iron tools and other iron articles, which was called as the Iron Age. He established with the help of evidence that stone tools were the first, then the period of copper and other copper article was next, later it was followed by iron and other iron articles. Hence accordingly three periods were established, that is Stone Age, Copper Age and Iron Age. This gave rise to a belief that copper was the first metal used by human beings. Actually, gold was the first metal discovered to be used. It is a soft metal, so it could not be used for making tools and implements. Hence, human discovered another metal which could be used for making tools and implements, and that metal was copper. The period when copper came into existence is known as the Copper Age. Secondly, we will study about the pot made on the potter's wheel. The Copper Age was the age of many new inventions and rapid changes. The invention of the wheel is the most important among them. It is generally agreed that the wheel was first used by the potters to make pot on the wheel. Its use in the cart, the use of the wheel in the carts and chariot probably began a little later. Now let us understand how the pot was made. To make the pot turn easily, a rotating plank was used. You can see in the picture on the top, on the plank, the pot is kept. So the pot was shaped with one hand, and while the other hand was used to turn the plank to get a shape, to give a shape to the pot. A pointed quartz pebble fixed at the bottom of the wheel, this pebble was known as pivot. Now if you see in the picture over here, so there is a triangle shape pebble stone, okay, it is pointed in shape, so it was called as the pivot. So when the potter's wheel was put in motion, it is balanced on the pivot and revolves with great speed, and because of this pointed pebble, because of this pivot, it helped to revolve in a great speed. So it was possible that the potter's wheel originated in the efforts to modify the rotating plank. In recent times also, the tribal women in the northeastern regions of our country use the rotating plank to shape the pots. And see in the next picture, you can see in the ancient Egypt, a potter is working on a rotating plank or a turntable. Now let us understand trade and transport. It was possible to make pots in large numbers, in large production, because the potters began to use the wheels for making the pots. In this period, people started making symmetrical. Symmetrical means perfect in shape, okay, in equal size, and colorful pots with beautiful designs on them. So the potters and the other craftsmen are also artisans who provided raw material to the potsmen. So they all lived close by, so they can manage the work easily. So the village became an industrial area and center of production. So this industrial area or the center of production mainly happened in those village settlements where the raw material was easily accessible and available, and also conveniently situated for trade. Trade means buying and selling activity. As the production increased, the trade also increased. This led to change the old system of transport. So during this period, wheeled vehicles like carts and chariots were first brought into use.